Alrighty guys, so you guys can see we're out here just getting a little bit of fun runs, seeing what these cars can do. Did a couple of passes on my car. Car feels really solid. I'm really not trying to beat the shit out of it. I just really did this. I thought I can get out here, have fun, see what other cars are doing, and see what this car can go up against. It's not a fast ass street car, I guess you can say. It is in my sense, in my eyes, but to everybody else, you know, it is still a full interior car. It's not the fastest. Actually, I think the fastest one is that EG coupe that's over there right now, the burgundy one. I think it probably pushes like 800, 900 horsepower if I'm not mistaken. But at the end of the day, we're just here to have fun, see how this goes. I'm gonna go ahead and record a little bit more and then see where this takes us at, man. Figured just do a little bit of content, see the car making a test pass, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. I was actually able to bang a few gears. Second gear is a little bit hard, and we're gonna go ahead and continue doing a few pulls, see how it goes. For the thing, I got a messed up axle and it's leaking a lot of grease. So axle is down. This is the stock one, and the other one held up perfectly fine. No grease whatsoever on that motherfucker. So I know I'm good on this one. This is the one that we had rebuilt and redone, and it's holding very, very, very strong. So yeah, I mean, we're just gonna sit here, get a few more runs, get you guys some content, make a day out of it, and see where we get at, man. So enjoy, guys. Siri problems.
Oh shit, brother.
Integra.
Facts. And that's what
How does that make you feel?
Oh, yeah, it is.
That's good.
My old car, fast as fuck.
Alrighty guys, so I already said my axle was leaving the chat. I already knew it, and on that run I ran the Mustang. I kind of felt something, and it was going from there, bro. Good, likewise.
I'll send you the video.
For sure, bro. And we ended up fully fucking up the axle now. So good thing it's just an axle. You know, you can see it dangling there, and it is what it is. So we're strapped up already. We're gonna head home, and it was a good little turnout, man. I got my runs in. I got some test passes on the street. Car fucking rips. Went up against the coupe, and I'll see if I can find a video and get that done. Yeah, guys, car did good for the street. Went at it with the Mustang, gapped his ass. I don't know how close it was to the coupe, but I felt the axle really go, and I let go. I wasn't gonna chance the swirliness of the axle and the car moving around and losing control of the car. So I let go to be on the safe side, and it was definitely a good run with him and also the Mustang. So Mustang wanted another run, but unfortunately we couldn't get it done because axle has straight taken the shit. So we're gonna go ahead and rebuild it, get back in action, and do it a lot better, man. So let's go ahead and head back home. So what's your thoughts about the car?
Did good. Fully built, not fully built, full street car. Did good.
And it was a 60. Alrighty guys, so unfortunately things didn't keep going right for us. We had some issues today. One of the fuel pumps took a crap on me, so we ended up getting stuck on the side of the road. I ended up fixing it, taking off the surge tank, and letting it run off that one pump. And we did get that fixed, so the car's still running and everything else. Unfortunately, axle took a shit in the rear, and unfortunately our brother's car ended up overheating. I think the water pump is taking a shit on that one, so a little bit of bad luck today, but we'll get this truck fixed so he can get back home and get it all running. But right now we're waiting for the tow truck to arrive so that we can get the all-wheel drive back home safely and good. So I mean, things happen, man. I mean, it is what it is. It's an old truck, you know what I mean, and just needs a little bit more service, and he's gonna fix it. But we're not gonna tow with it anymore, just because we don't want to chance it. Plus we still gotta go all the way back to my house, Moreno Valley, and he can just go home from here and try to just take it without any weight on the trailer. So not bad. So I guess we'll go ahead and see you guys at home once tow truck arrives, and the all-wheel drive is home safely.
Go.
guys, so as you guys can see, All-Wheel Drive EK is back in the garage. You guys seen also we made, you know, some fun runs. Had a good time over there, having a blast, you know, taking the car to the street. First time really testing it on the street, and the car did very well. I really need to learn how to do more preload. Little by little, I'll go ahead and get that done. I felt the car squatting a little bit, and that's where I thought I had enough. But it's basically letting go, giving it more gas instead of just dumping the clutch. But I will learn it little by little, but nonetheless, dope day. Now we're back home safely. Huge shout out to my brother for just towing the car over there. Unfortunately, if the car axle would have held up, I would have driven it back. His car did have an issue. I ended up having more issues aside from that. Even before that, on my way to my brother's, one of the fuel pumps ended up taking a shit. I got to dive deeper into that because I had to take off the surge tank on the side of the freeway and just run it off of one pump. So either way, that's the way it was tuned with Armin, on one pump with no surge tank. I put it on just to have it as a daily driver, and that way I wouldn't get sloshing. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that taken care of, get a new pump, and get all that figured out. But again, axle's the only thing that really had an issue with. I do have another spare axle, which are down there, so I have axles down there for it, so we should be good. I just gotta pop off the shaft inside of the diff to make sure we can have the cup. What ended up happening with the axle is that it didn't break the bearing, it broke the actual shaft in half inside the cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get that fixed. I'll probably take another axle to ABC and get those all redone. I'll probably order some more of those, and that way we're golden on it. But it's Thanksgiving, guys. I don't want to keep yapping. I'm gonna go ahead and go inside, chill with my family, enjoy Thanksgiving, and hopefully you guys all have a good Thanksgiving. And if you guys did enjoy this video of seeing the all-wheel drive on the streets of Mexico, please hit the subscribe button. Please like and comment down below what you guys think. And we had some fun taking some Gapplebees cars. So taking some cars to Gapplebees, I guess. I'm not talking shit or any of that stuff, so I don't want to hear it in the comments. It was a dope run with that coupe. Fastest coupe that I've really seen being next to me. And I really don't know who really got it. I felt like I got it because where we marked it at, or I thought where I took it up to before the axle, when the axle took a shit, I took it up to that sign, compared, and I was already past the quarter mile in my eyes. But again, respect to that driver. It was a dope run nonetheless, and we did what we did, had fun, and enjoyed the time out there. So yeah, guys, we'll go ahead and catch you guys on the next one. Until next time.